quick real estate tip.
Okay, if you go into a basement and you smell water intrusion, how do you waterproof a basement? The way you do that is they take off the wall here, they create a membrane that goes up against the wall. You want to do it from the inside of the house. It's just so much easier, cheaper, and more effective. You jackhammer up some of the concrete, which sounds like a lot, but it's actually not that bad. You put a drain that drains all of that water, so the water just comes in. You also drill holes in the wall so it makes it easy for the water to come in. Hit that membrane, the water goes down into the ground, right into the sump pump, and then they kick it out. Much better having the water go where you want it to go, let it come in, go where you want it to go, kick it out, than letting it just go wherever it wants to go, because then it's going to press against your wall, it's going to destroy your house, and you're going to get that dank, musty smell. Go get it.
Thanks.